In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get narrow columns in Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a simple database and resize its columns so your page looks clean, compact, and easy to scan. Start on any page in Notion where you want this table to live. Click into the body of the page and type a / to open Notion's command menu. Begin typing the word data to filter the options. From the results, choose Database, Full Page. This creates a brand new full page database and takes you right into it, which is perfect for setting up your layout from scratch. You'll see a default first column, typically called Name. Give that column a clear, short title to keep it tidy. Just click the column header, type the name you want, and press Enter. Shorter names help the column stay narrow later, so use concise labels wherever possible. Next, add another column. Click. Add property at the top of the database. This opens a list of property types. Choose Checkbox. Checkbox columns are great for narrow layouts because they don't need much space and still convey a lot of meaning. You can rename this new property right away, again keeping the title brief so it's easy to fit into a tight layout. Now it's time to slim everything down. Move your cursor to the right edge of any column header until you see the horizontal resize cursor appear. Click and drag to the left to make that column narrower. You'll notice the content will wrap or truncate based on your view, but for things like checkboxes, dates, tags, or short labels, you can go quite slim without losing readability. Repeat this for each column you want to reduce. The key is to adjust a little at a time, check how it looks, and stop when the information is still clear at a glance. A couple of quick pointers as you fine-tune. If a column won't get as small as you'd like, try shortening the column title or abbreviating your entries. Notion remembers column widths per view, so once you dial in a compact setup, those choices stick for that database view. And if you add new properties later, just repeat the same drag to resize move to keep the layout consistent. That's it. You created a full page database, named your columns, added a checkbox property, and resized each column to achieve a neat, narrow layout. Save your changes and enjoy a cleaner look with the information you need right where you want it.